I'm going to go through my supplies for a 3-day backpacking trip on the Ozark Highlands Trail. So hopefully next time I'll remember all my stuff. So this is all the stuff I'm going to probably wear, so it's not going to get packed. I might have to pack some of it, but most of this is for wearing when I'm hiking. You get the pants, wool socks. If it's raining and not too cold, at least 50 degrees, I got shorts that'll dry up quickly. The shirt, something to keep my face warm. Of course, if it gets real cold, I got the fleece, some gloves. I haven't opened this up yet, but I got the thermal top and bottom, and my down jacket. As far as sleeping, I've got Z-Pack sleeping bag that gets rated for 20 degrees. It's probably just over a pound, packs down light. Thermarest pad inflates up, real comfortable to sleep on. And give me a couple more degrees out of my sleeping bag. I got the Silk Liner by Big Agnes. It goes in to also protect my sleeping bag. So the clothes I'm going to pack, well, first of all, this is when I cross water or camp shoes, just some Crocs. So that'll go in the back of my backpack. This will also go in the back of the backpack. Rain pants, rain jacket. In case you guys know if it gets real cold. Got some warmers, bandana, of course my knife, headlamp. So here's the clothes. Got 2 pairs of wool socks. And again, this is all to sleep in because I'll be wearing everything else in the trail. I've got real warm thermal tops, thermal bottoms. Right in here. Gloves if it's real cold because it keeps going back and forth anywhere from 20s to 30s for low. And here are some nice warm pants to sleep in as well, to go over the thermals. And a fleece top, keep me warm. So I can get all that closed up. So that's pretty much all the clothes. Odds and ends. This is my electronics bag. I'll probably be carrying this. It's the GoPro. Got the GoPro charger and also an Acre charger. So that should be able to keep our phones charged for 2 days. Also have our matches and light on here. And that'll all seal up. I won't go through all this, but this is toiletries and first aid. Got pills for just about everything. Some bandages, TP. Even I don't think we'll need these wipes for mosquitoes. So a bunch of stuff in there. Then we got the food. Here's the bear bag. Got titanium pot. Here's my little, get this thing open, stove. Screws on top of my fuel. Packs up real small. I can get it packed up. Goes right in this little bag. Got another little mug here. Last time I used a metal pot or metal cup, but found out hot coffee and cocoa make that burn your lips, so this ought to be a lot better. I got the cozy, keep everything insulated. All this help together. Again, going through the food. Might mix this up a little bit, but I've got some tortillas that make it real easy to make a wrap. Some stuff. First day we'll have lunch. I've got tuna with jalapeno with the wrap. I'm going to repackage these in lighter, smaller containers for the time, right before the time being. Second day for breakfast. First night for dinner, chicken and dumplings. Next day for breakfast skillet that has eggs, hash browns, pork, and all that good stuff. Second day for lunch, got some buffalo style chicken that I can wrap. And experiment the first night with what they call a ramen bomb. We basically heat up water, get some ramen noodles, and then you mix in some instant mashed potatoes, cut up some beef sausage in there. It's supposed to be pretty good. And then the next day for breakfast, have some oatmeal, banana flavored. Also got banana chips I can throw in there. And again, this is the third day, so lunch will be the final meal. I've got some peanut butter packs. Actually, I might switch that to the first day lunch and bring a banana. So right off the bat, I'll just put the banana in there and wrap it up. Got my spork. So, on to the next stuff. Got tent, Z-Pack triplex, packs up real nice and light. Hopefully it'll keep us nice and dry. But I'm going to be carrying the tent, so because I'm carrying the tent, Layla's going to do the foundation that goes under to protect it. And my boss lent me a Garmin InReach, so I'll be able to keep in contact even if you lose cell signal. And I also have 2 liters of water that I'm going to start with. Once I drink those, we got water on the trail, Sawyer squeeze, a little filter. Basically go get water from the stream, put it in there, screw this on, squirt it in the other bottle, that'll filter the water. And the other thing to mention about the tent, part of what keeps it so light, no poles. End up extend my trekking poles, and that will serve as tent poles. So, last piece is my Z-Pack Park Haul backpack. Also part of the clothing is this hat I'm wearing, keep it warm. So what it is, I got a Z-Pack, but to keep everything nice and dry that needs to be dry, put all that stuff inside a contractor bag, wrap it up, and I can actually show you how that works. So the stuff I want to stay dry, obviously, my sleeping bag. Let's see if everything fits. My silk liner. My mattress. Of course, my clothes. And of course my electronics, don't want that getting wet. And toiletries. Hopefully this all fits. So now I get that in there, get this wrapped up real good, stuff it down. Keep everything nice and dry. And the one thing I did forget was the snacks. This is extra food. Got coffee, some hot cocoa for each evening, Cliff bars, Snicker bars, and pepperoni. So basically all of this will go into my entire bag, hopefully. Actually, I'm going to unload some of these. I don't need as many of those, but I'll put them in there for now. Alrighty, this can actually go out. I'll put this in the bear bag. Undo. Actually, I'll put the tent in first. Somebody want access to the food. And actually, some of this stuff would have gone in with the bag to keep it dry. But so I'm doing, I'll just put it in here. Food on top. Hope everything fits. And serve in there. And I think that is everything I need. Hopefully this will lighten up as time goes on, as we eat more food. And again, put the raincoat on the outside for easy access. As well as the shoes. Water. And so again, that'll go with Layla. So, forgot to mention the knife. Don't put a big one because it'll take up too much space. Put my water filter here for easy access. Knife. And see how this feels. This is lighten up a little bit. Tighten this up. Put all the weight on my hips. Got this up here. Ready to go.